Hi guys, I have purchased one of the TAKOM's Blitz series kit, and today we find out what does it mean Blitz and whether it's worth it or not. So I prepared this box with German SPG based on Panzerkampfwagen dry chassis, and this kit was the cheapest one from that series, StuG.III Ausf G early version. Yep, box damaged a little bit because it arrived directly from China. We can see on the sides of the box two painting options, but in fact there are many more of them available. Also we can see all the details that exist in this box. So let's open it. Each sprue in a plastic package, so all details in safe during transportation. Yep, there are a lot of StuG series from various manufacturers. I decided to try this one. Lower part of the hull in one piece, with some details of suspension. That's great. Welding seams exists. Well, this kit called Blitz, so it should be, I guess, modelers friendly. And we can see it on this upper hull part, which casted with fenders and with all transmissional and engine hatches in closed position, but all these details are still highly detailed. Also we have here part of the battle cabin, where located fighting compartment consists from two pieces. If we try to put them together, it seems to be okay, everything with connection, but we need to remove extra plastic. Welding seams and rivets are visible on these details. Okay, now let's quickly observe sprues with the other details and make short summary on this kit. So details of the armament. Post where 75mm gun would be placed, barrel consists from single piece plastic detail and several details of the muzzle brake, also some rear parts of this gun. MG machine gun, well detailed, protectional shield for machine gun, gun manlet. Unfortunately there is no metallic barrel in this box. And as a little spoiler, I can say that mounting and assembling of this gun system a little bit complicated. But in general it would be okay if you sand this gun a little bit and precisely connect all details and install this inside SPG. Next frame with big parts. First of all we can see here enhanced armor, minor details, casted as good as bigger one. Different instruments and handlers for them and fixers, they looks good. I loved how this kit looks, and all these details, they highly detailed, I think. In the same moment, not so many of them in this kit. Okay, two identical sprues with rollers and suspension parts, and here is also some unused parts for, I think, Panzer III tank itself, because Blitz series also includes tank version, not only StuG. Rollers highly detailed with markings. Only one problem is that rubber parts have casting seams, which I guess would be removed with a knife or sandpaper. And two, hopefully not big frames with semi-separated track links. One big stride section, one big but waved section, two smaller sections and separate links. Only 22 of these separate links you will need on each side of the caterpillar. So not big amount of work with these caterpillars, and that's great. Also in the end we received a lot of spare track links. And the last small sprue with the grey details with jack, which consists from several details and some chassis parts. Unfortunately there is no clear parts in the box. But instead we have here a not bad towing cable, very soft for both sides of this vehicle. And we have here photoetched metallic parts, which include metallic meshes and some minor details like handlers for cables. And finally decals, not too many of them, but actually there are a lot of painting options here available. We can see here markings for different regiments and different front lines. So what about painting options? Well, we can find in this book up to 5 variants, and that's pretty cool. 4 of them from 1943 Eastern Front, including Kursk, Orel, Belgorod and even Finland directions. And the last option is for Italy Front 1944, Monte Cassino. So we can find here flat yellow camo, yellow green and 3-colored yellow green brown camo. I think that's more than enough. I'm thinking about most complicated Monte Cassino camo because it reminds me of some flashbacks from video games. But other options also good. So let's make short summary. I think for its price, well, it depends where you can purchase this kit. Compared to what you can find in this box, this kit is great. As advantages, we can find here not so many, but greatly detailed details. Also we have here metallic towing cable, photo edge details and 5 marking and painting options. Also good and comfortable in work truck links. As disadvantages, no metallic barrel, no transparent details at all. Sanding works will be needed for rollers, and maybe there will be some difficulties with gun mounting. Also it might be some issues from historical side, but I don't know because I didn't make any researches on this kit. Well, I think it is a good kit and we actually built it. Unfortunately now it's season outside the windows and inside as well, so painting works will be a little bit later for previous kits. Now I am working mostly on assembling process of different kits. Anyways, thank you for watching, have a nice day, good luck and bye.